In this lesson pangalawa, we will explore the stability curve, its components, and the key parameters that influence a ship's stability. We'll delve into the concepts of metacentric height, GM, righting arm, and initial stability, which are pivotal in assessing a vessel's ability to resist capsizing. Metacentric height, GM. Metacentric height, GM, is a critical parameter that characterizes a ship's stability. GM is the vertical distance between the center of gravity, G, of the ship and the metacenter, M, a point where the buoyant force acts when the ship is heeled. A positive GM indicates a stable condition, while a negative GM implies instability. GM is typically calculated as GM equals km subtract kg, where km is the metacentric height above the keel, and kg is the center of gravity height above the keel. Righting arm. Righting arm, GZ, is the horizontal distance between the center of gravity, G, and the center of buoyancy, B, when a ship is tilted. It represents the lever arm through which the righting moment acts to restore the ship to an upright position. A greater GZ means a more effective righting moment, which enhances stability. Righting arm can be calculated as GZ equals GM sin, where is the angle of heel. Initial stability. Initial stability is a measure of how stable a ship is when it is slightly heeled, typically up to 15 degrees. It is critical during loading and ballasting operations, and in the ship's response to small disturbances. Initial stability is assessed through the initial metacentric height, minitial, and the initial righting arm, zinitial, at low angles of heel. A high initial stability is desirable to prevent excessive heeling in response to external forces. Practical applications. Stability curves are often graphed to represent the relationship between righting arm, GZ, and the angle of heel. Understanding the stability curve and its parameters helps ship operators and designers make informed decisions about loading, ballasting, and ship behavior in various sea conditions. Initial stability is important for assessing a ship's response to small disturbances. Therefore, stability curve, metacentric height, GM, righting arm, and initial stability are vital components of ship design, operation, and safety. Understanding these concepts is essential for ship officers, naval architects, and anyone involved in the maritime industry. In the next lesson, we will explore how to calculate these parameters and their implications in practice. Best wishes for your studies in lesson pangatlo, and we look forward to your active participation.